Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change name on ticket on WestJet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have a profile. But now, guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the flights, vacations and offers, and book a flight option, where you can go and book your very own flight. And also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, where you can click view account to view your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change name or on ticket on WestJet. Well, to modify the passenger name on the WestJet ticket, as we said now, contact the WestJet customer care or the number which is +1/855/546/5592 OTA or +1/855/546/5592 OTA directly. WestJet generally does not accept entire passenger name changes. However, minor corrections or edits may be allowed with proper proof and at a cost. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.